Happy birthday to you. Alright, everybody, shout happy birthday, Coraline in 3, 2, 1, and shout! Happy birthday, syempre bago niya i-blow ang kanyang first birthday candle, Mami and Daddy. Birthday wish. Birthday wish, dahil late si Daddy. Unahin ko na si Daddy sa kanyang birthday wish.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, syempre si Mami. Ayan, kaya naman this time, i-blow na ni Coraline ang kanyang candle in 3, 2, 1, and blow your candle na! Happy birthday, Coraline!